Simply Gilded box for the month of March got here, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So let's take a look. There's a little card that tells you everything you receive in the box. Here's the foiled journaling card. Here is the vellum. I love all the colors. I love the pinks. I think this is really pretty. Here is the acetate. On one side it's gold and on the inside it's silver. I like all the little details of the pictures on there. And I don't know what to do with this, but this is really pretty. Here are the 2 full sheets of stickers. I really do like the pink days of the week. All the colors are really pretty. I do love the checklist. This is just really pretty for spring. Here are the bow seals, and they're really pretty. Also the icons, I love getting those. The half sheet, it's really pretty. I love all the colors. This month she included these, and they're clear. You can overlay them on anything. It says work, home, and play, and I really like it. It's pretty. Here is the notebook. I love the flowers and the pink. Here's the back of it. It says let your ideas take flight. And the inside, it's dotted. You can make your own planner or just take notes. So this month she included this, and inside is where you can put your little notebook like the one I just showed you. And it has pockets on the side, a place to put your pen. I love the pink. I may change the cord out because the cord, the gold, the way it was made is that it came stained. So I'm going to change mine out. Here is the rounded pouch, and I like the little tassel. I love the pinks. You can use this for your pins or just anything. So here is the washi, and I really do like some of them I don't, but I think the last 3 are really pretty. She included this jelly roll metallic pin. Here is the pin. It says Simply Gilded on it, and it has the little bow on top. This is just so pretty. I am loving the color, the fine glitter, the bows, the hearts, just the whole thing. It's very, very pretty. Here is a mystery item for the box, and these little cards are so pretty. You can use them as a bookmark, or you can put washi samples around them, but I really do like all of them. They're really pretty. Here is everything I received for the month of March. I got a lot of stuff, and I really do like all of it. So like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.